Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to screencast Xiaomi 11i and 11i Hypercharge smartphones with a smart TV. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to swipe up and enter into the settings. So then you can find the option called connection and sharing. You need to open that. Then you need to swipe down. There is an option called wireless display. You need to click that. So wait for a few seconds. Now you can find the TV displayed here. You need to click that. Then click start now. Now the phone display is displayed into the smart TV. You can see. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.